सच 3 पड़ाव से गुजरता है। पहले इसका मज़ाक उड़ाया जाता है, फिर विरोध किया जाता है। आखिरकार इसे स्वीकार किया जाता है, क्योंकि सच अपने आप को सच्चा साबित कर ही देता है।
तो कोई भी सच हमेशा 3 पड़ाव से गुजरता है, राइट? पहला उसका मजाक उड़ाया जाता है। When you are speaking your truth, people will first laugh at it. In fact, that means somewhere there's the truth. That is the first indication. Every great person was first ridiculed, right? जब किसी ने कहा कि हम हवा में उड़ सकते हैं, we can fly in the air, they were all laughed at, right? कि ये क्या मजाक कर रहा है? But today, when you are flying in the air, when we take a flight, we don't even think about it, right? Everything is a miracle until it becomes a technology. And people laugh at miracles. ये कैसे possible हो सकता है? It is not possible. So that is same way as truth. पहले इसका मजाक उड़ाया जाता है, फिर उसका विरोध किया जाता है. Then people will go against it. People will fight it. And फिर आखिरकार इसे स्वीकार किया जाता है, क्योंकि सच अपने आप को सच्चा साबित कर ही देता है. Because truth has its own power. Sometimes the truth tests your patience. So when you are on a path of truth, when you're on a path of knowledge, patience is the key. People will recognize the change in you, but it will take some time. Initially, there will be resistance because people love you to be ordinary. When you become extraordinary, people don't like you in the beginning. क्योंकि it makes them uncomfortable. ये अपने जैसा नहीं है. इसका दिमाग खराब हो गया. प्रॉब्लम क्या है इसके साथ? पहले तो बैठते थे तो गॉसिप करता था, अब तो उठ के चले जाता है. ये अब अपने टाइप वाला नहीं रहा, ये अब अपना दोस्त नहीं रहा. So people like you to be ordinary, because that makes them comfortable. But when you are chasing extraordinary, when you are chasing excellence, it makes them uncomfortable. So when you are chasing the path of truth, you should be ready to accept people feeling uncomfortable about it in the beginning. But sooner or later, when they go through their own challenges and when they need light, then they will look for you. Because then they will know this is the source of light. The same person who ridiculed you will take you as your inspiration because your actions demonstrate it, your behavior demonstrate it. So when somebody walks off your life, don't worry. It is not the end of your story. It is the end of their part in your story. Because when your energy is changing, so initially anybody who is not aligned to that energy, they'll be removed from your experience. But then when they are removed, you feel the loss. Oh my God, I'm no more getting the validation. I'm no more getting the acknowledgement. And then you lose your energy. You get panicked. And again you lose your energy. And when you lose your energy, then they acknowledge you. So it needs perseverance to maintain your alignment no matter what. If even people ridicule you, people laugh at you, that's fine. When I first started meditation, my family was very upset and angry with me. They used to tell me कि ये उम्र है ध्यान करने की. लोग 60 साल, 70 साल, 80 साल की उम्र में करते हैं. ये 19 साल में कोई ध्यान करता है, 20 साल में कोई ध्यान करता है? अभी काम करो, पढ़ाई करो, पूजा पाठ करो, कोई ध्यान कोई करता है अभी? So I was staying in Bombay. So when my family, anybody used to call me, and if I was meditating, so I used to tell the servant कि बोल देना पूजा कर रहा है. So then they used to feel very happy. अरे पूजा कर रहा है, ध्यान कर रहा है बोलते थे, they used to feel upset. But eventually the whole family became meditator. Even my grandmother, who passed at the age of 92, she became meditator. Like she used to meditate 3, 4 hours in a day. So everything changes when you change. But give some time.